Enjoy the Southwest Florida lifestyle in this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home offering 2,287 square feet of living space. Designed to take advantage of beautiful pool views throughout the home, this property features an open and bright floor plan filled with natural light. The well-equipped kitchen offers modern appliances, abundant cabinet and counter space, and a breakfast bar that opens to the main living area, making it ideal for everyday living and entertaining. Large sliding glass doors create a seamless connection between the indoor living spaces and the outdoor lanai. Step outside and relax by the sparkling pool or enjoy outdoor dining and gatherings on the expansive patio. Pool care is included in the monthly rent, allowing you to enjoy the outdoor amenities without the maintenance. The generous primary suite features a walk-in closet and a spacious ensuite bath with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family, guests, or a home office. 1 pet will be considered with owner approval, with a maximum weight of 25 pounds. Conveniently located